Auto Salvage Outlaws. We got up this morning and got a cup of coffee and got up there on the computer and was watching Outfit's Garage video where he's taking a trip to see Big Block 402 to trade some a Dodge part for a Chevrolet engine for his Chevrolet bed. So if y'all ain't checked Outfit's Garage or Big Block's channel, y'all go over there and give them a sub. You're missing out. And then every morning I get up, I come over here and go through the nonamenationals channels. This morning, One Eyed Cat's in the lead at 476. Rob Street Cars at 423. Nick Man 90s at 346. Tesla Speed Chop right behind him at 340 subscribers. Road Beer Garage is at 329. Smoke Wrench Garage is at 323. Turbo Tom's at 317. And Old Chucky's Garage is 244. His channel's growing pretty quick. Back Motors Funny Car Team is at 218. LA Auto Works is at 220. Lucky B Speed Service is at 197 this morning, and Mohawk 178 subscribers. That Piero guy's at 154. New Guys Guitars at 151 subscribers. Dakota's Timeouts is 148 subscribers. He needs more time out. 38 POS Racing's at 143. Master Polo C4's at 142. Joe Roy's Garage is at 124. Twisted Mopar Garage is at 95. Scarlet, the Four-Eyed Cuda, that's a sweet car. If you ain't subscribed to him, you should be. That is a sweet car right there at 91 subscribers. And Junkyard D's at 56. So if you ain't subscribed to any of these channels, head on over there to each one of them's channel and give them a subscribe to get them to 500. Where they can compete at the No Name Nationals in Saxton, Missouri. And I always come over here to check out my buddy Joel Garage page, and I check out his, and then you go back and watch some of his videos, and man knows what he's doing. And then of course I come over here and I'll watch old Chucky's putting that LTD back together. If you ain't subscribed to Chucky, run over there and give him a subscribe. He's getting that LTD dialed in. We met him here a while back when he come down to pick that LTD up. Great guy. I'm talking about, he's a great guy. Great channel. We didn't have our cameras well, we had them, but I wasn't thinking, and I had a doctor's appointment, and my buddy, the first trip he made, he was at the doctor's office that day and wasn't even thinking about the camera. So maybe we'll meet up here shortly before No Name Nationals and we can do a video together. But y'all head over there and give him a sub, and then head over here to Tesla Speed Shop and check out his 69 Firebird that he's putting quarters on, and take a look at his car and give him a sub. Man, that 69 Firebird is looking good. Looking real good. You know, most knows that 2 weeks ago, I think it was 2 weeks ago, I fell off the back of a rollback, messed my hip up, my back. That's my best friend right now. I really got a butt hurt. That's my best friend right now. Then I come outside and it's a pretty day. So I told my wife this morning I was going to work on the car today, and and see what I can get done. Come outside and my car's gone. Y'all do not use 80 grit sandpaper or diesel fuel. Abort that. Don't do it. This is all I got left of my No Name National car. That's it. That's all I got. That's it. It is what it is. Y'all don't be taking no advice from me soaking the diesel fuel parts. Man, I just don't know what to do now. I guess I'll build me a wooden body. But man, it's all that hard work is gone. Man. Y'all hit the subscribe button. Comment down below. We'll see y'all in Saxton, Missouri.